How to turn on or turn off keyboard predictive text on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. Then in general management, we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, tap on predictive text. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to the previous screen, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, if you open up your keyboard when predictive text is switched on, you can see when I write something, it will suggest what you are trying to use, and it will offer you some of the things, some of the words that you can tap on it to use it. And that is predictive text. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.